Hello everyone, welcome to MK2 and today I'm here with an interesting video about how do Lamborghini cars are made, especially Urus. We know the Urus is the fastest SUV in the planet. So this is the Urus. You guys might be knowing this car. This is the fastest SUV in the planet right now, but Aston Martin has been in good competition with this Lamborghini, but till Urus sustained the path of its luxury and sports. As for this car's luxury, the interior is fine, sporty as well as luxury with leather finishes. So first, let's take a look at this car's manufacturing from A to Z. So yes, this is how first the car's alignment and the paint job has been done, and after that the car is transported. The car is going and it's transported to the powertrain section. So that's where the engines and all other electronic systems have been built, and the disc brakes. This all comes under the powertrain system. So this is the front powertrain. You could just see that, or the rear powertrain. So yes, it's been fixed. Yeah. So it's been finely and noticed by the worker and fixed accurate to the installments and alignments. It's carefully taken and then assembled to the frame. It's perfectly fixed there. So Lamborghini maintain their perfection on their manufacturing because have their legal at their tally. So yep, and then after that the engine has been come. So the engine manufacturing is not more than that. We know Lamborghini engine go faster and but fuel more consumptions. So right now they are probably working with electric, but till the leather and everything of the Lamborghini logo stitching and the stitches of the seats, everything already made particularly accurate in Italy to be more luxury in the interior. And next, all the minute particles have been judged by the worker, so it is so easier to transport that. And all automatic robots transport all the parts wherever needed in the Lamborghini factory. So if you want anything to be approached or whatever, it will be needed by this vehicle. So this is an automatic operated electric vehicle, and worker scans there, and right now he can access all the parts of the Lamborghini that has been manufactured and checked, and the car has been viewed outside. So after and full check, the car balance parts are been assembled. The oil is filled, the engine has been placed inside the bonnet. Still the doors are not fixed, but it will be fixed soon. The electric appliances are fixing there. So these are minute particles. They take charge from the battery and then fixed outside. So that's not a big problem here. So here where the cars have been fixed, okay, so it comes, and then the main wheels. So the automatic robots gets the wheels and put it into the disc, and the worker screws it tightly. And here, and one more thing, this all done by manpower. So manpower is really needed here. So without manpower, Lamborghini cars are not manufactured. Each and every part is checked gently and carefully. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to MK2. I'll meet you with an interesting video next time.